Welcome all. So today, as you can see, the topic's heading is the legal policies of Mahakali Vedic Healing Shelter. Now this is a video that I have to make today because of the fact that lot many of you say that we did not read the legal policies of Mahakali Vedic Healing Shelter. So I have specially got this highlighted on the website, and the whole forum is given on the site. So this is a formal introduction of Mahakali Vedic Healing Shelter legal policies that I want you should be aware of, and this is mandatory for everybody. See, we are running a company. It is a genuine company. We're running from last 6 to 7 years now, all right, on papers, registered, everything. Okay, now the thing is that there are some people, who get their work done, and once things are done, they suddenly prop up and say, that we want to contact another healer. I'm talking about Vashikaran cases especially, okay? That there was this person that contacted us, and he said, I want this Vashikaran to be done on my girlfriend. And I said no to him. This is 3 years back I'm talking about, a case from India, okay? And I said, you cure yourself, this is needed. And the cure was done for him, for the supernatural, the negativity removal, and he was absolutely fine. And then suddenly, just because we were in goodwill with him, he started to take advantage of us, of my team, okay, and said that, return my money because I want money for my Vashikaran to be done on my girlfriend, okay? He had the bloody cheeks to say that to my team, they return the money, refund the money because I need the money for my Vashikaran for which I had contacted. And then when this thing came to me, I spoke to him directly, and then he had this crocodile tears in his eyes, and he started saying, I'm so sorry, Didi, please, you are like my sister, and I just want that, please give me that money. I don't have money, and once my girlfriend is going to be back, I'll be really thankful to you. I know you don't do any wrong things, and blah, blah, blah. And at a goodwill, I said, what you do with this money is not this thing, but since you're dying to get your girlfriend, and you are emphasizing on spoiling your own karmas, I don't know from whom and from where you're getting this done, but I don't want these tears to be there in my karmic account. And I returned his money also, okay? Imagine, I returned his money as well. And then this person, this scoundrel, okay, sends a mail to my team on the mail saying that you people, have to return my more money. And he started basically blackmailing us, thinking that I'm a lady healer, and just because I was nice with him, he started doing this activity. Then I contacted my lawyer and I said, now this scoundrel needs to be treated the way he has to be treated, what he deserves. And then we had sent a notice to him saying that don't bullshit with us, and this is what it is. Come and we'll drag you to the court. I will not take any nonsense from anybody hampering the image unnecessarily of the team. It's clearly written on the Mahakali Vedic Healing Shelter legal site that these are the things. There are no guarantees here, okay? When you come and ask the guarantees in the diagnosis only, it's always told to you that this is the cure. You want to go ahead with this. There are some medical things also you need to follow. It is not only the spiritual cure that you're coming here for. You need to follow the medical cure as well. So we do not ever deny the medical help, because when you are actually a victim of negativity, there are so many things that are going wrong in your body, okay? And just because we are being nice with you, each and every question is being answered by the team day and night, okay? That does not mean that you start taking us for a ride and you think, oh, she's a lady healer, she has a very well-spoken and a polite team. My team can turn around, and I can turn around to you in such a big way that you would never imagine. So don't play around with me, don't bullshit with me, don't pinch me the wrong way, okay? So now formally I'm making this video so that each one of you should be clear on this fact that there are no guarantees for anything. No doctor can give you a guarantee. Even after the surgery, they make you sign a form saying that if we are going ahead with the surgery for the betterment, however, if something goes wrong, you will be responsible for any future death or any mishappening, and you do sign it, okay? So it's better you change the behaviors with genuine astrologers and genuine occult people who are into this service, okay? It's high time that you people start respecting. I'm not talking about everybody, I'm talking about few people, okay? It's better you start respecting people of this subject as well. And nobody is, throttling you like this and catching you from the neck and bringing us bringing here in this center that, come and get this work done from us. No, you are coming to us. So it is better you read the legal policy completely. And now I have made a format that every person who comes for the diagnosis and even for the cure, if he agrees, he has to sign the legal policy saying I agree to the legal policy. And that is a right of every company to proclaim and to say that this is the legal policy. And then it is your right. It is your right to sign it or not sign it, or to be a part of our clientele or not. We are not forcing you, okay? But each one of you will give the Aadhaar card now with the photograph of yours and written in the mail acknowledgement that yes, I acknowledge and I agree to the legal policies of Mahakali Vedic Healing Shelter. If you're fine with it, then it is great. Go ahead with the cure with us. Otherwise, we are not taking any cases. No matter how much, upset or depressed you are at that particular situation. Okay, because you people, some of you expect miracles. You will not see how much faith you have. Some of you come to me for checks, that let me check whether this thing works or not. Otherwise, okay, what is it? We will ask for the money. There is no refund of money. It's clearly written on the site. All right, there is no refund of money. I'm repeating on the site. You are responsible for you, and people who are less than 18 years of age, we are not entertaining you people. Please contact your senior people, your parents, or somebody who's elder to you. And there is no family drama that will be entertained here. If you are the client, if you are the one who's contacting us for the diagnosis, it is you who's responsible for your family members also. We don't have, then this is also clearly written in the legal policy that one person who's dealing with us, and even if he or she is getting the work for his family or her family also, we are dealing with one person and you are entirely responsible for the whole family member that you have actually pulled in. Okay, because none of my team members ever do any advertising. Never my team members ever try to convince anybody that you come and get the work done from us. Every time in my YouTube video, I always say that get this cured or get this checked from a specialist, whether from us or whether from anywhere else. Okay, so anyways, to cut this short now, the idea is go on the page of Mahakali Vedic Healing Shelter legal policy, read it carefully. Okay, and it really depends on the kind of faith you have, the kind of belief you have, and the kind of respect you give to all these alternative services of spiritual healing. Okay, and if you think that you cannot, do not contact us. And as it is, I always say do not contact us for wrong mediums and also bullying us, because there are few people who think they can bully us and then they forget that if we can cure you and if we can be nice with you, do not take the advantage of somebody who's being nice with you, because I'm not one of those people who will sit down and listen just because I'm a spiritual healer. No, I'll give it back to you in such a way that it will hit very hard on you. Okay, so don't unnecessarily come here and try to make a false reputation. Okay, because we abide by a reputation, that means everything to us, and we are clearly saying go and read the policy. You will give the acknowledgement only then. And because most of you come in the middle and say I contacted another healer in between. Okay, why did you contact another healer when we are doing your work in the middle? And then you will say my work did not happen, something went wrong, and blah and blah and blah. So all of that is already mentioned in the legal policy, that if you contact a healer in between the cure, when the cure is going on, we are not responsible for anything. Okay, go ahead and read the site legal policy. If you agree with it, go ahead. Otherwise, from today onwards, when I've come on YouTube myself and I've said you cannot skip the legal policy thing very smartly and say I did not read the legal policy. Well, if you're going through a website, if you contacted somebody, you need to go ahead with the legal policy. Okay, and without this, we are not taking any case. Without your Aadhaar card or without your social security numbers, we are not going ahead and taking any case further ahead. Okay, so that's about it. I hope this is clear to everybody, and this video was mostly for people who try to act smart with us, because every other person is signing the contract without any issues. Okay, mostly all the companies do it. So that's about it. I'll see you next week. Till then, goodbye.